recording this? How many royalties am I getting?
You got fans now. When you go out to eat, they're like, oh, is that Walter?
Oh, they're gonna call us, be like, hey, can I get a tag? So, Monday, back to work. As you guys can see, we have this blown shock here. This thing is completely gone. So, original shocks on this Camry, about 95,000 miles. We have some brand new set of KYBs here. And we're putting it on complete with the spring and the shock all together. So it's nice and perfect. We'll get this car out here a little bit later today.
It pulsated and it swerved to the right. And I greatly apologize.
So why are your brakes not working?
Because there's a leak in it and I have to get it fixed.
I know, but you just damaged my car. Look at this. This is a huge damage. Crazy idea. I had a nice car and then I joked with you. I was like, okay, let's match the thing, and now this is what you give me? What am I supposed to do with this? You think this is funny?
No comment.
Okay, did the steering wheel get done the way it's changed? It's still green. Oh my, that's it. What do you think of this car? I mean, does it look better than before or worse? I don't know.
Which one? Say it again.
It's better.
Better?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even your son. I think it's gonna look nice.
Leaves like this.
I'm telling you. Hey man, don't interrupt me, okay?
Does he always talk to you like that?
When older people are talking, he needs to be quiet. That's how I was taught. I don't know.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
I told you to get a new trunk.
No, I'm gonna put it on there so you can.
You're not putting the speakers anymore?
No.
That was the whole theme of this car. No more speakers.
They might like it more now.
No more Hey Siri make farting noises.
Got it.
Get that for $1 million, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's entertaining.
Here he goes. Don Appleoni Part 2.
And you had those glasses on before you picked the red, right?
I may never have.
There you go.
I may never take off the glasses because it looks so much better with the
now
glasses
you
on.
can't see the car anymore.
Yeah.
With those on.
Can we put the glasses in front of the filter so they can see what I see?
Let's do it. Yeah, do it.
You don't need the glasses.
Huh?
You don't need the glasses.
You don't need the.
It's slow car,
This is
don't
a
worry.
slow car, yeah.
It's not about the speed, this one.
Alright.
I'm going to scream.
Hey, I have a Sport Plus.
Yeah?
Yeah, let's go.
Wait. I needed a shopping bag in case I in the pants.
Hey. Okay, you know what? I'll say, I just want to say thank you, Moses, of course,
Anytime.
and Vic as well, for all your professionalism, always quality work. I want to tell everybody about you guys to send their cars here, you know, their family.
And if they don't come, then you're gonna hit them with a MacBook.
Yep. At 50% off.
It is. See, I'm skinnier than you. No, he has wider shoulders. That's why it has to be bigger.
That's big.
It's big. Huge. Short. I'm taller than you, that's why. I'm taller than you. He's taller than him. No, it's think short. It's supposed to be, yeah.
You're not supposed to zip up every jacket.
No, you're not supposed to. Yeah, it's supposed to like, kind of like let it loose, like, you know. This one? Like be a little hip, you know. He's watching.
We'll give it to Moses if you don't want it. There's another color too.
You bought him a jacket. He brought you jackets. You don't wear nothing.
You want to wear a rip one? Look.
That's how it is.
Yeah? Yeah, the t-shirt in the back sticking out is nice. You look skinnier right now. You're making fun of me. No, we're not. It really looks good. Turn around. Hey, this. Oh wow! Don't zip it up. Stop being so Armenian. Leave it loose. Show your nice stomach.
It's short on me.
This is nice. I'll take it.
No, that's the style, bro. You gotta wear it longer. This looks good. Just take off your bottom thing. Don't tuck it in.
My stomach's too big. That's the problem. I know it's a good jacket.
Nice.
All right, guys. I'm sure you've seen online the RDB shoes. It's popping off. We're getting a lot of the samples in. Right now I have the sandals or the slides. 2 colorways are gonna be available. The regular black, we're gonna call this the blackout. And then we got the blue one. As you see, the blue one has the RDB on the top of it. Carbon fiber on the side. Full leather, it's flexible. So you see this thing flexes, so super comfortable. Has all the little RDBs on the bottom. Also the black one. The black one is really dope. It has the carbon fiber again, but it has the little RDB logo right there. So really clean for the guys that want to have a simple one, or they want to rep the brand with some blue. We got both of them. This is our shoe bag right here. Each shoe gets this bag. It says RDB shoes on it. These are the high tops that we are coming out with. As you can see, carbon fiber throughout the sides, carbon fiber up front, perforated leather on the sides, perforated leather on the insides. We're gonna have different laces we're playing with it right now. As you can see here, we're testing yellow laces. I think it looks pretty cool. We can do black, yellow, white laces with them. It's all gonna come with each pair of shoes. Obviously RDB on the bottom, made in Spain. Really, really clean, classic high top right here. So super excited. These look really good on foot too. So I'm gonna be rocking all these shoes very soon. And you guys are gonna have a chance to do that as well once we launch on rdbshoes.com. All right guys, so we have this Speciale right here. Beautiful Ferrari. This spec is amazing. We have an OBD2 plug right here. This is actually going to tune the car. So you could ship this to customers or do it here. Very simple to tune, very quick, takes 10 minutes. We're gonna do it right now. Ignition on. All right. We have to leave it for a few minutes. It takes about 100 miles for it to adapt. So you want to drive it hard, soft, whatever, it doesn't matter. So it's gonna adapt. Check engine light is on right now because his battery was dead before he brought it to us. So we're gonna have to reset that later. But yeah, the customer ended up leaving the car because he's having a problem with his exhaust system. He had it installed somewhere else months ago. The valves malfunctioned, and now apparently they are turning on and off on him without him controlling it. So he wants to make it full-time loud. So we're gonna be checking out the valves and seeing what's wrong with it to fix that. Also, Novitec suspension on this car. Again, installation, maybe something was wrong, but something seems to be loose, making noise. Alignment is a little off. So all these things we're gonna correct for him. Again, this is a beautiful, rare 458 Speciale, so we have to make sure it's good. It's worth a lot of money. It's got to be taken care of. So as you guys know, we do exotic maintenance as well. He was going to take it to the dealer. They're going to charge him an arm and leg, so obviously he's going to save a ton. Exhaust valves are definitely staying closed, especially at high RPM, which is weird. It should be the opposite. So I can see why this customer is not happy. He got the car only like 8-9 months ago, and he said he's always been tripping about the exhaust. So he's never been fully able to enjoy the car, which we're going to make sure he does after he picks it up.
car.
There's drip.
Nothing happens. It doesn't burn.
That's not it.
Oh, shit!
Day before Thanksgiving, we wanted to give a thanks to all our fans and supporters. We don't make all this money off of YouTube. We do it from the shop. YouTube is just for fun. Obviously, we do this for you guys to watch, enjoy, see the cars, see the guys. We have a lot of fun doing it. Moses, you have anything to say?
Happy Thanksgiving to all of you. We're gonna take a day off tomorrow, relax, eat, drink a lot, and come back to work Friday and continue.
Chances are for Moses, Friday morning, having a lot of problems at work is very high. So, yeah, he doesn't have limits when he drinks. Sarkis, on the other hand,
I'm off on Saturday, so I'm gonna enjoy my.
We're talking about Friday.
I'm gonna enjoy Friday too. So I'm gonna be out for 4 days. So tomorrow, Friday, and
What are you talking about Friday?
Friday we're here.
oh, I think we are closed.
In his head, it's closer every day. That's so. Don't trust your vehicle with Sarkis. We also want to mention our website, Black Friday. We don't really care for that stuff, but we're gonna give you guys 10% off for a week. So it's already up. Go online, automatically you get 10% off anything on the site. So we have our Urus shirt, we have the Ferrari style shirt, we have the regular shirts. RDB Auto Care is also gonna have a Black Friday sale that's gonna be completely different. We're gonna announce that. But rdbla.com, 10% off. Enjoy.
Happy Thanksgiving. Cheers, you guys.